ఎంతో మందిని స్పీకర్స్ గా, ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్స్ గా, మోటివేటర్స్ గా తీర్చిదిద్దిన మన యూనిక్ లైఫ్ కంపెనీ నుండి వేణు కళ్యాణ్ సార్ గారు లాంచ్ చేసిన పబ్లిక్ స్పీకింగ్ కోర్స్ తీసుకొని దాంట్లో ఒక బెస్ట్ స్పీకర్ గా ఎదిగి ఈరోజు మన ముందుకు ఒక గెస్ట్ స్పీకర్ గా వచ్చారు మన డాక్టర్ దీపా కమారి గారు. ఆమె ప్లేస్ వచ్చేసి ముంబై. మేడం అతి చిన్న వయసులోనే పిహెచ్డి అంటే డాక్టరేట్ పట్టా పొందారు. మేడం క్వాలిఫికేషన్ వచ్చేసి ఎంకామ్, పిహెచ్డి వాస్తు. మేడంకి అక్కడ పిహెచ్డి సాధించింది, ఇంకా సొసైటీకి ఏదైనా చేయాలి, సమాజంలో ఏదో అక్కడే సంతృప్తి చెందలేదు, ఇంకా సమాజానికి ఏదైనా ఇవ్వాలి, నేను బెస్ట్ ఇవ్వాలి అని ఆ వాస్తు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అక్కడక్కడ మేడం వెళ్తున్నారు కదా, ఇంకా సొసైటీలో నేను ఏదో ఒకటి వాల్యూ యాడ్ చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మేడం ఈ స్పీకర్ కోర్స్ వైపు రావడం జరిగింది. అలాగే ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ లో ఒక బెస్ట్ గా రెడీ అయ్యారు. ఈ రోజు మన ముందు గెస్ట్ గా వచ్చారు. మేడం ఒక అద్భుతమైన టాపిక్ మీద ఈ రోజు మనకు సెషన్ తీసుకోబోతున్నారు. అదే పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ రిలేషన్షిప్ గురించి. ఓకే మేడం గారు, మీరు కంటిన్యూ అవ్వండి మేడం గారు.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, Lakshmanji, for such a, giving a beautiful introduction of mine by you. So, can I share my screen, Mahesh ji? So, good evening to each and every beautiful soul out there who is watching right now live to me, and thank you so much. I'm so glad that you have, given such a precious time for me. So I'll not make you wait more. Let's get started with my speech. And also, there's a few rules which you need to follow, like close all the tabs. Do not divert your, mind from this topic to something else, because here I'm going to share some beautiful points related with kids and parents. Apart from this, at the end of my speech, I'll also conduct a beautiful activity where I'll take you all to the good olden days. Golden days, like the days where a life was stress-free. So please stay tuned to the end of this video. So I'll start my speech with the poem in Hindi, which says, so the poem says that सुखी उम्मीदों की कोई डाली नहीं होती, जो झुक जाए माँ बाप की चरणों में उसकी झोली कभी खाली नहीं होती. सुखी उम्मीदों की कोई डाली नहीं होती, जो झुक जाए माँ बाप की चरणों में उसकी कोई कभी झोली खाली नहीं होती. माँ बाप की तारीफ करूँ कैसे, माँ बाप की तारीफ में करूँ कैसे, मेरे शब्दों में उतनी जोर नहीं. सारी दुनिया में जाकर ढूंढ लेना अपने माँ बाप, सारी दुनिया में जाकर ढूंढ लेना अपने माँ बाप जैसा कोई नहीं. दिल से माँ बाप की सेवा करो. क्या? दिल से माँ बाप की सेवा करो. आवाज जाएगी परवदिगर तक. परवदिगर में जो सुन ले उनकी तो हर बिगड़ी भी बन जाएगी. Now this is a Hindi poem, so I'll try to translate in English too, which says that सुखी उम्मीद की कोई डाली नहीं होती, जो झुक जाए माँ बाप के चरणों में उसकी झोली कभी खाली नहीं होती. Means what? దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అంటే, మన హోప్స్ ఉంటాయి. If it's a happy hopes or a positive hopes, so it is never ending and there are no branches to it. If it is a negative hope, so there may be some branches to it. Okay. And if we take blessings from our parents, from our mom, from our dad, then our bag will be never empty. A bag will be full of what? Full of happiness, full of blessings. So the next stanza which says, माँ बाप की तारीफ करूं कैसे, मेरे शब्दों में इतना जोर नहीं. Means how can I praise those parents who are like God for me? How can I praise my father? How can I praise my mom? I don't have, like, I'm falling short of words to explain how deeply I owe myself to them. The second stanza which says, सारी दुनिया में जाकर ढूंढ लेना अपने माँ बाप जैसा कोई नहीं. You roam the whole world. Miku okka person, okka female aina miku dorkaru who you can compare to mom. You'll never get a male whom you can compare to your father. Next line which says, दिल से माँ बाप की सेवा करो. What? दिल से माँ बाप की सेवा करो. आवाज परवदिगर तक जाएगी. यार परवदिगर means परमेश्वर. मेरू मनसुदोनी, if we'll do seva or will take blessings from our parents, that Ishwar, that Parmeshwar will listen to your voice, and for sure, if you have some difficulties, some kind of issues, it will be getting solved. So with this, today's speech is about relationship between kids and parents. So for the people who have joined now and missed my intro, so just have a glimpse of it. This is Dr. Deepa Kamari from Mumbai, who holds PhD degree in Vastu Shastra. My qualifications or profession includes Vastu consultancy, Reiki healing, numerology, pendulum dowsing, meditation guide, angel therapy, professional tarot card reader. Sorry for being too fast. It's just a long list. Also, I'm looking forward to become motivational trainer, life coach, business coach, and so on. I would love to add some more points. Okay, so here comes a question where I want to ask to each and every parent right now listening and watching to my speech. Just tell me, what are the do's and what are the don'ts for the parent to maintain good relation with the kid? The meaning enti ante కొన్ని థింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి as a parent మీకు అది టేక్ కేర్ చేయాలి in order to maintain positive relation with your kids. So I want you all to please participate and please mention all those do's and don'ts in the chat box. Yes, I want everyone to please participate. Please mention the do's and don'ts. Okay, very good. I'm getting some beautiful, like, don't give instruction, make conversation. Yes, very perfect and positive answer to be like a friend to children, prema choose like very correct. So here are, I'll show you some do's and don'ts. First, I'll explain you the do's, like how you should be with your kid. Those are spend some quality time. Let them decide about their career. You should never ever spend quality time means if you are a job holder or a job person, you should find time to spend with your kid. Or you never know, a pura kid will find a substitute, right? He will share about his feelings to friends or on social media like Facebook, Twitter, whatnot. Even on YouTube, there are chances he may record video of his emotions and upload it to YouTube channel too. It is trending. So apart from this, appreciate the little efforts also. Even if the child is scribbling, you should be happy कि yes, मेरा बच्चा scribbling करने सीख गया. You should not be अरे क्या ये पढ़ाई में डब्बा सिर्फ scribble करता है. This is another point. You should, it is a negative appreciation for him. Apart from this, maintain certain rules. Certain rules includes from so and so time you can go out, so and so time you can be home. But this applies for the children who are kids, school-going kids. Apart from this, if a child is well-to-do or he can manage things, so he can whenever he can come out, whenever he can go. Apart from this, just make sure that he is doing some positive activities outside with his friends too. Concentrate on mental health issues. What does this mean? This means that you should never ignore his or her mental issues. If that person or that kid is coming to you and is saying, mama, bahar na ऐसे हुआ, these people were behaving very negative to me, I got so hurt, they said so and so many things. You should not be like, अरे बेटा छोड़ ना, तू क्यों उनके बातों पे आता है. No, you should never do that. Instead, you should sit with this child. If you're busy in your WhatsApp, if you're busy in your work, वो काम को बाजू में रख के, you should sit with your kid and know the whole story. Even see, right now, just now I said concentrate on mental health, spend quality time on all these points. I can see some of them are scribbling on the screen too. So this also shows the way you're growing up your kids. Okay, so what are the don'ts? Don'ts ante manam evi cheyakudadu. Avoid giving mobile phones. Yes, this is the worst thing ever. Mobile phones is the worst thing ever a parent is giving to their kid. Why? It is a negative point because they spend hours and hours on mobile phones, right? They never get time for their parents either. They will never concentrate on your talkings. This is how you will give values to your kids? No. Apart from this, the second point says do not pressurize, and इसके सामने मैंने do's में रखा है, let them concentrate on the career, let them decide. क्यों? अभी आजकल के थोड़े पेरेंट्स हैं जो फोर्स करते हैं कि अभी इंजीनियरिंग बन, अभी डॉक्टर बन, अभी वो सब फॉर्म में है. बट व्हाई? he or she can concentrate on some other profession also. It's not like कि अभी सिर्फ engineers, doctors, teachers ही चल रहे हैं, अभी सब profession चल रहा है. Even if he wanna be a trainer, he can be a trainer in the sense a life coach or a gym trainer, let's say, he can be. Do not degrade any profession. If your kids wanna join that profession, please do support your kid. Stop comparing. What does it mean? Stop comparing your kid with other kid. Correct? Why this we need to do? A parent need to do. Because by comparing, if you're comparing your kid with the other kid, what your kid will think, you know? Do you have ever imagined? You need to be child. As a parent, you are matured. आपको आपका मैच्योरिटी लेवल कम करना होगा और वो बच्चे के इसमें आके आपको सोचना पड़ेगा इसके मन में क्या है, क्या चल क्या रहा है, और उसके बाद यू शुड कंपेयर विथ अनदर किड. मे बी आपका बच्चा इतना होशियार ना हो बिकॉज उसका माइंड जो है, उसका ब्रेन जो है, वो दूसरे बच्चे के जैसा काम नहीं कर रहा. मे बी आपका बच्चा कोई और एक्टिविटीज में अच्छा हो, कोई और एक्टिविटीज वो अच्छा कर रहा हो भी सकता है कि जो दूसरे बच्चे के साथ आप कंपेयर कर रहे हो, दैट किड इज नॉट मच टू डू इन द एक्टिविटीज विच योर किड इज नंबर 1. So the next comes, avoid over permissive. Like you should never be कि जो करना है ना कर, बिंदास कर. ये attitude is way too negative. You should never give over permission to your kid. Like if a kid is saying कि I want to go for so and so movie, and example it is for adults only. So what? Will you say no beta ja, you can go, you can watch? If you'll say this right now, he may go to any extent after reaching a certain age in his or her life. So next comes, don't hide the negatives. Don't hide the negatives here means what? If in the, you can see कि इसके सामने मैंने जो पॉइंट रखा है वो मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज है. तो अगर आप मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे हो और पता चला कि उसका ब्रेन इतना पावरफुल नहीं है टू कैच all those words, all the study things which he is learning, just tell him. Just tell him कि you cannot go or you cannot do so and so activity. Okay, just don't push him or don't compare him कि अगर दूसरे बच्चे कर सकते तो आप क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो. इसके बाद पेरेंट्स को जो ध्यान में देना है वो है बच्चे का टाइमिंग्स क्या है. वो even if your kid is college going kid, then also you need to concentrate on his timings, when he's coming, when he's not coming. Keep an eye, keep a watch on that particular kid. वो घर पे झूठ बोल के किसी और के साथ भी घूमने जा सकता है. Who knows? आपको झूठ बोल के वो बाहर मूवी देख रहा हो किसी के साथ. Correct? So there is another question now for kids, especially for kids. I want you all to answer me that what are the do's and don'ts for kid in order to maintain. And please, I request to all the kids who are doing this scribble, please stop it. Okay, so what are the do's and don'ts for kids in order to maintain good relation with the parents? అవి ఏం థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనం ఒక కిడ్ లా ఉండి, ఒక చైల్డ్ లా ఉండి మనకి ఫాలో చేయాలి so that we can maintain good relation with our parents. I want every student, every kid who is watching this, please answer to this question. It is much more important. Okay, come on, answer. All are sleeping or what? Or bore ho gaye ho? Respect kid world. Yes. What more? Spend more time with them. What more? Deeply think karo. If you are a kid, if you are a student, socho thoda. Dimag pe zor dalo. Okay, time to parents, not bad. So here are the do's and don'ts for the child in order to maintain good relationship with their parents. Yes, you can do all this stuff which are written in those. And अगर आप ये आज से follow करोगे तो I am damn sure you'll have a beautiful and a positive relation with your parent. So what comes first is spend quality time with parents. अगर आप ये notice करोगे जो भी points मैंने इसमें mention किया है, ये points or whatever points I have mentioned in previous slide, like how to maintain relationship between parent and kid. Like what are the do's and don'ts for parents? थोड़े बहुत similar है. Why? Why it is similar? Because whatever parents give to kid, that kid will in return give those same points, same aspects or same, you know, feedback can also say same relation to parent. If a kid is giving you some respect, the same respect you will give to your kid also. So that's the reason you can find some similar points. So first is spend quality time with parents, and against it I have written avoid giving priority to friends. What does this mean? You need to spend more and more time with your parents. You should never leave your parents alone. Who knows, today or at this present moment maybe the last one you are spending with your parent. लाइफ का कोई गारंटी नहीं है, राइट? वी कैन सी अभी आजकल मार्केट में क्या क्या हेल्थ इश्यूज क्रिएट हो रहे हैं, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, करेक्ट? So avoid giving priority to friends. Why I'm saying this? Because I personally have experienced a lot of negativities in my life too. At the end, I'll share a beautiful example and a beautiful, you know, like it is a surprise for me too. At the end, I'll share. So avoid giving priority to friends. Why? Friends are not the people who will come to you if you are in trouble, if you have some negative issues. Okay, chalo. If you have your best friend, just ask him more than 1 lakh. At least ask him for 20,000. अरे चलो 20,000 भी बड़ा है. Ask him just 5,000. चलो 5,000 भी अगर आपको बड़ा लग रहा है, उसको पूछो 1,000 देगा क्या? नहीं देगा. मैं लिख के देती हूँ, नहीं देगा. कितना भी बेस्ट से बेस्ट फ्रेंड क्यों ना हो, नहीं देगा. He will be like, अरे मेरे पास ही नहीं है, मैं कहाँ से लाके दूँ? मैं खुद ही कमा रहा हूँ यार. अरे चल तू तो मेरा बेस्टी है, 1,000 का मैं तुझे पार्टी देता हूँ, चल. अरे तुझे चाहिए क्या? चल ना मेरे साथ, तुझे जो चाहिए मैं दिलाता हूँ. These are the words what a friend will say. And now if you are in a trouble related to financial issues, maybe anything, your friend will never ever come and help you. वो कितना भी जिगरी दोस्त, BFF क्यों ना हो, they will never ever come. So second point is be open up to parent. Against this I have mentioned, do not share secrets with friends. Correct? Do be open up. Share your feelings. If you are in relation, if you want to do something or a positive or negative in your life, that your parents will decide. But if you want to share related to your relation, please open up to your parents. If you're feeling depressed, if you're feeling stressed, if you're having anxiety issues, please share with your with your family, not friends. Because देखो, example I'll give you. If you'll say to your friend, अरे so and so person is there, I'm in love with that person, but मेरे घर पे नहीं मानेंगे, you know, caste issues, फिर बोलेंगे ये कर, अभी पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे. These are the things what you will say to your friend. और ये फ्रेंड क्या बोलेगा, अरे छोड़ना, तू क्या कास्ट का इश्यूज देख रहा है? अभी आज के जमाने में कौन कास्ट इश्यूज देखता है? This is correct. But another solution friend will give, तू टेंशन मत ले, तू करता है ना इस लड़की से या लड़के से लव, गो अहेड इन रिलेशन विद दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, आगे का मैं देखता हूँ. जब मुड़ के देखेंगे कौन फ्रेंड, कौन जाने कौन बेस्ट फ्रेंड. नो अश्योरिटी फॉर फ्रेंडशिप. Do not ever share your secrets with your friends. Be so open up, so matured, so, you know, friendly with your parents. Don't think कि अगर मैं ये शेयर करूँगा तो अरे मेरी मॉम क्या सोचेगी, मेरे पापा क्या सोचेंगे. Please don't never ever do that. Trust me, being a girl, I share so many things with my dad without hesitating also. Sometimes I literally tease him and I call him. This is how I share a beautiful bond with my mom, with my dad also. So the third comes appreciate deleting efforts also. Against it I have mentioned stop comparing. Because why? Here I'll first describe about don't stop comparing. Why? Because there are kids who start comparing the parents. How a kid can compare the parents with another parents here? How it's even possible? Kids here are comparing parent in the sense how, अरे तेरी मम्मी तो टिफिन में अच्छा अच्छा देती है, सब तेरे लिए अच्छा अच्छा खरीदती है, सब मस्त मस्त कपड़े लिया. यार मैं तो देख वही खाता हुआ कपड़ा पहन रहा हूँ, देख मेरे बाल भी देख, ना ही मुझे कुछ इयररिंग्स लेती है, ना मेरे लिए कुछ करती है, मेरे लिए तो टाइम तक नहीं निकालती है. अरे कभी सोचा वो मम्मी के बारे में? इतना सा भी सोचा? 0.1% भी सोचा वो मम्मी कितना स्ट्रगल कर रही है आपके लिए? वो माँ सुबह से रात तक काम करती है, आपका फेवरेट सबको बना के देती है. वो स्ट्रगल के बारे में कभी सोचा आपने? बस हमको कंपेयर करना है, हमको कहाँ देखना है वो सब स्ट्रगल, है ना? So the fourth point comes, try to explain your issues to your parents, which I have mentioned this before also, but here I would mention, apart from relationship, even if you want to do something in your life, if you want to stop studying, but make sure you have another best option for your profession, so that you can be open up and you can be independent. Also here I would love to mention the points about girls, especially girls, please never ever hurt your parents, never ever stop sharing your issues to your parents, maybe your mom, maybe your dad, to whom you feel comfortable with. Be open up. Do you have any idea उनको कितना मेहनत लगा होगा to raise you? Nowadays girls don't even think about their parents and they literally run away with a guy जो कि अभी अभी मिला है. How she can trust him, I don't know. But this is not the correct way, is what I feel. Here I want to mention that point specially only. And if you're a parent, please be open to your girl child especially, and never ever degrade or never ever disrespect your girl child in front of your male child. This will affect her mentally. She will be mentally unstable also. Maybe she'll go into depression. She'll be stressed. Do not back answer to your parents. This is where parents will get hurt. कभी आप सोचो आपके पेरेंट्स के बारे में, आपके मॉम के बारे में, आपके डैड के बारे में. अगर आप बैक आंसर कर भी रहे हो तो उनको कैसा फील होता होगा वो भी सोचो. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस आई मेंशन, हेल्प देम इन देयर वर्क. तो डेली का जो वर्क है उसमें भी आप मदद कर सकते हो उनको, जहां से यू कैन क्रिएट अ गुड बॉन्ड, गुड रिलेशन. सो डोंट फाइंड एक्सक्यूज टू रोम विथ फ्रेंड्स. आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड एक्सप्लेन दिस पॉइंट. So coming to our next, this is my favorite quote, which says, if you have loving parent, treat them with some loving care, for you will never know the value till you see their empty chair. Correct. जब तक आपके पास माँ बाप है उसको इतना प्यार दो, ढेर सारा प्यार दो, आपको उनका वैल्यू पता नहीं चलेगा. जब तक क्या, जब तक ऐसा खाली खुर्ची दिखेगा ना घर पे, तब तक पता नहीं चलेगा माँ बाप का वैल्यू क्या है. This is also my favorite, which says Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, which means treat thy mother as a God treat by thy father. In simple, treat your mom, treat your dad as God. आजकल के बच्चे ये भी बोलते हैं, अरे मैं तो एथिस्ट हूँ, मैं भगवान में बिलीव नहीं करता, मैं विश्वास ही नहीं करता, ये एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता मेरे लिए. अरे भाई क्यों एग्जिस्ट करेगा? अगर आप अपने मॉम डैड में बिलीव करोगे, इफ यू विल ट्रस्ट योर पेरेंट्स, उनमें फेथ रखोगे, उनमें ही भगवान दिखेगा. आपको मंदिर मस्जिद जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. उठो रोज सुबह, मॉम डैड का फुट टच करके ब्लेसिंग्स लो. You will get your God in your parents only. So let's summarize all the points. What are the lessons which we have learned? Is what actually there are n number of points, right? So let's get started with give respect to your parents, and for kids also, and for parents also, into respect their whatever words they are sharing or their experiences they are sharing. So give values to kids. Do not degrade kids. Do not compare. This is the important point. Apart from this, what we have learned is proper understanding you should have and maintain good communication, जिससे आपका bond more clearly, more open up होगा आपका बच्चा आपसे, और आप भी उतना friendly रहना है. कुछ नहीं, जैसे हम अपने बीइंग अ पेरेंट हम अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ कैसे रहते हैं, वैसे तो बच्चा, आपको सिर्फ बच्चा होना है. आप 30+ हो, उनके एज तक आओ, उनका एज का कैसे सोचता है दिमाग, वैसे सोचो. For sure that kid will be open up to you. You don't need to worry at all. So I would take one activity where I want each and everyone to participate. So I want you all, please close your eyes and follow my instruction. Whatever I'll say, just follow it. I promise you that I will take you to the good olden days of your life, which are stress-free days of a life ever. Okay, chalo, close your eyes. Everyone. I want everyone to close their eyes. Okay, very good. Now, अभी आप imagine करो आपके parents just bring their face in front of you. पेरेंट्स का फेस, मॉम डैड दोनों मस्त एंजॉय कर रहे हो एंड यू आर जस्ट अ स्मॉल टाइनी बेबी. ये both for both like for kid and for parents. Please imagine your parents, they are playing with you, they are laughing with you, you are so happy, so stress free, so happiness you have, all the happiness of your world. Just close your eyes and imagine all what I'm saying right now. Okay, so abhi imagine karo the way your parents are happy, the way they are giving you values, they are adding more values to your life. आप उनके साथ इतना खुश हो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कुछ वरीज नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. उन्होंने इतना पॉजिटिविटी डाल के आपको बड़ा किया है. Imagine the struggle they had while raising you. Maybe financial, रहने के लिए घर ना हो, पैसा ना हो, एजुकेशन देने के लिए. अभी हम कोसते हैं माँ बाप को कि तूने मुझे पढ़ाया क्यों नहीं. Maybe hell lot of negativities are there which we have, जाने अनजाने में हमने अपने माँ बाप को कही है. Imagine about all those backfired answers which we gave to our parents. And अभी imagine कि वो पेरेंट्स ने बिना कुछ कहे, बिना डांटे, बिना मारे, उन्होंने आपको एक्सेप्ट किया. They accepted you as you are. They never ever hit you. Being a parent, it is so difficult if that parent is into financial, like if they have financially they are bad. Just imagine, just feel those negativities at the same time positivities. What are the positivities? ये कि उन्होंने आपको सभी विशेष पूरे किए, सब विशेष पूरे किए, और इन रिटर्न उनको आपने क्या दिया? बैक आंसर्स. Yes, just back answers. अभी वही back answers are teaching you a beautiful lesson to you. Imagine the pain your parent had. Imagine the struggle they did also for you all. Just एक affirmation बोलो अपने mind में, जो भी affirmation आपको पसंद हो, just repeat it for your parents' love, for the love they gave you, the beautiful love. Appreciate those blessings, appreciate that love, appreciate their kindness, appreciate it. Now slowly and slowly, taking your time, make, be aware in the room you're sitting, you can slowly and gently open your eyes. So if you have any kind of a questions, and one more thing, I told that a beautiful thing I'm going to tell you, that today my speech was about what? It was about relationship between kids and parents. And here in this speech of mine, the very first speech, my parents are present. This is the beautiful moment for me to share this speech, wonderful speech in front of my parents too. And again, I thank you, Venu sir, and his whole team for giving such a beautiful opportunity to me. So with this, I want to conclude my speech. The last message which I want to give to you all is what? Mother is heavier than earth and father is higher than heaven. What? Mother is heavier than earth and father is higher than heaven. So thank you so much for your patience and watching this speech to its end. Over to you, Mahesh ji. If you have any questions, do let me know.
Yeah, amazing session, Ms. Deepa Kamari.
Yes,
So
yes.
wonderful. Yeah, how the parents should be and how the child should be. You have explained very well.
Yes, yes.
And here is a question.
Yeah.
One parent is asking, how do I measure my success as a parent? By the quality of relationship or by controlling the child?
No, no, no. You should never ever control your child. Please, it is way too wrong and too negative, you know. If you control a child, so a child ki ఏమనిపిస్తుంది అంటే అరే నా పేరెంట్ ఇలానే ఉంది, నా మామ్ ఇలానే ఉంది, నా డాడ్ ఇలానే ఉన్నారు, నన్ను ఏమి చేయనియరు. సో గివ్ దెమ్ ఫ్రీడమ్. జస్ట్ మేక్ షూర్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ అ పాజిటివ్ వే. సో డోంట్ నెవర్ ఎవర్ control them. Okay, it's their choice, it's their life also, so give them choices.
Yeah, exactly. So one more question. Do I ask my child to make a commitment or do I force her into doing the things?
Okay, again here I will say, as I said that don't pressurize. In my PPT also I said, so here also I'll say let him or her do some commitment. तो अगर क्या होता है, अगर वो यंग एज से कमिटमेंट करना सीखेंगे ना, जब वो आपके एज तक पहुंचेंगे ना, they'll never need a trainer or a life coach in their life. Correct? Because they know कमिटमेंट क्या होता है, कैसे करने होता है. अगर आपने वो अर्ली एज से उनको सिखाया, so they will never need any kind of a mentor.
And one person is asking, Manu, what to do so that parents will be happy always with the sons at the age of 20?
Oh, at the age of, yes, this is the best. Actually, the 20 is the age where kids hardly spend. Even I am in my 20s, so it's not like I don't spend my time with my family. To be honest, I have zero friends in my life. So at the 20s, what to do is spend more times. But how? अगर आपका बच्चा कॉलेज में है या कोई अगर जॉब कर रहा हो, वो आने के बाद जस्ट मेक अ रूल कि उसका मोबाइल फोन जो है वो साइड में रखे. बिकॉज आजकल क्या हो रहा है, मोबाइल फोन्स इतना यूज करते हैं ना, उसमें घुसे पड़े रहते हैं. वो पबजी खेलना, फ्रेंड्स के साथ चैटिंग्स करना, ग्रुप टॉक्स एंड व्हाट नॉट. जस्ट मेक श्योर यू चेक द मोबाइल फोन्स ऑल्सो. कर लो, मोबाइल फोन चेक कर लो, क्या जाता है, अपना ही तो बच्चा है. इससे भी उसके साथ क्या होगा, एंड ट्राई टू बी मोर फ्रेंडली टू हिम. डोंट हाइड एनी काइंड ऑफ सीक्रेट्स. अगर आप एज अ पेरेंट कोई भी सीक्रेट्स नहीं, सीक्रेट्स क्या बोलते हैं, इफ यू विल नॉट शेयर सीक्रेट, इवन दैट फ्रेंड विल नॉट, दैट किड विल नॉट शेयर सीक्रेट, राइट. सो जितना आप ओपनली, जितना फ्रेंडली, घर पे क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, पापा ने क्या किया, बहन ने क्या किया, दादी ने क्या किया, ये सब उसके कान में भरो, बिठाओ उसको. कॉलेज के आने के बाद, जॉब से आने के बाद, 20s में से ही उसको थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिखाओ. पॉकेट मनी मत दो, खुद को ऑन करने बोलो. He will know the value of money also. At the same time, he will create a good bond with you. He'll share कि मम्मी आज बाहर ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है, मैंने इतना मेहनत किया, मुझे इतना earnings हुआ. So this will create more deep bond between mom and a son, or kid and parent.
Yeah. Yeah, one of the parent is asking, should
Yes.
I say this to my child? Like, I believe you. You can do it. I'm there for you. I love you, beta. Is that required very frequently to say?
Yes, yes, every now and then you can say, but make it sure कि over pampering नहीं हो रहा हो. Because over pampering से क्या होता है, बच्चा बिगड़ जाता है. वो कब negative addiction होने लगेगा वो पता नहीं चलेगा. Just अगर वो पॉजिटिव थिंग्स कर रहा है, मेक श्योर कि यू आर सेइंग दिस अफर्मेशंस. अगर वो नेगेटिव काम कुछ कर रहा है, जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप उसको बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे कि बेटा ये ऐसा नहीं ऐसा है, बट जस्ट डोंट ओवर पैनिक ऑन देम. जो आपका काम का फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, गुस्सा है, एंगर, एंजाइटी, स्ट्रेस, उसके ऊपर मत निकालो. व्हाट डज इट क्रिएट्स, वो बच्चा डिप्रेस भी होने लगता है. उसको लगता है मेरी मॉम के साथ मैं ये बोलता हूँ तो वो है नहीं सुनने के लिए. और ये अफर्मेशंस जो मेंशन किया है, आई बिलीव यू, आई ट्रस्ट यू, यू कैन डू दिस, यू कैन डू दैट, ये बोलना मस्ट है फॉर अ किड. This will create a positive attitude also.
Yeah, exactly. And one more question is there.
Yeah.
How do I speak to my child as if she is destined only for the success?
See, now none of the kid on this planet is designed for success. उसको स्ट्रगलिंग करना पड़ता है, उसको मेहनत करना पड़ता है to achieve a particular thing in their life. You should never degrade him also. I have mentioned in my speech also. Correct? So success क्या? It's not must कि it's अच्छा देखो अभी I'll give my example only. अगर मुझे success नहीं मिल रहा है, it's not like कि my parents are not accepting me. Being a parent, you should accept your kid as they are. It's not like अगर उसको success मिला तो ही he's my kid. Appreciate the little efforts also. Appreciate those little things. उसको बोलो तूने इतना नहीं तो इतना points मिला, यही तेरा success है and I'm happy in this.
Yeah. Yes. Very. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, every child should be like all the parents should teach the their child that he should be able to handle the failure also.
Yes,
You have to teach them the success as well as how to handle the failure.
Yes, exactly.
So, yeah, I request all the parents to teach your child the failure, how to handle the failure also, so that we will be in the right way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Even if my parents were like कि दीपा तू ये प्रोफेशन में मत जा, अगर वो ऐसे बोलते कि तू वास्तु के प्रोफेशन में मत जा, ये प्रोफेशन गर्ल्स के लिए नहीं है, ऐसा कभी उन्होंने नहीं बोला, ना ही आज तक बोल रहे हैं वो. क्यों? बिकॉज दे ट्रस्ट मी. अगर इसमें सक्सेस नहीं तो किसी और में सक्सेस है. दिस इज व्हाट आई शुड लर्न टू हैंडल फेलियर एंड सक्सेस एट द सेम टाइम.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. It's a wonderful session.
Yes.
Thank you. And over to you, Mahesh Garu.
Yeah, thank you so much, madam. It's a wonderful session, really. So చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్ గా మీరు సెషన్ తీసుకున్నారు. అండ్ పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ కిడ్స్ మధ్యలో రిలేషన్షిప్ ఏ విధంగా ఉండాలి, అసలు ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కూడా చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్ గా ఇచ్చారు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం. అండ్ పార్టిసిపెంట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ యాక్టివ్ పార్టిసిపేషన్. అండ్ మళ్ళీ మనం రేపటి సెషన్ లో మనం మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం రేపటి స్పీకర్ తో. మళ్ళీ ఎక్సలెంట్ సెషన్ మనం చేయబోతున్నాం. సో డెఫినెట్ గా అందరూ కూడా రేపు ఖచ్చితంగా 6 o'clock కి అటెండ్ అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ యాక్టివ్ పార్టిసిపేషన్. అండ్ బై. దిస్ ఈస్ సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్ వీకే టీమ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.